Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11 Lite, and I will show you how easy you can activate Hey Google. You have to go for Google app, next you have to tap on more, move to the settings, click on the voice, tap on the voice match, and when you are here we have to simply tap on the Hey Google switcher. Next we have to click next, agree. As you can see in my case is ready. I don't have to say OK Google for a few times, but you will get circle like that. And you have to say OK Google and Hey Google for the 2 times. OK Google and the 2 times Hey Google, Hey Google. Click finish, and right now when you use this voice command Hey Google or OK Google, our assistant will be activated. If you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.